Okay, so in video 1097 and 1099 we built something called a Dynapod, which was the Swiss Army knife of all pedal power. The idea being that you made attachments to go onto it. I mean, I always worry about attachments, but anyway, we make attachments to go... but I guess that comes of being a man! Are we supposed to have trouble with attachment? Anyway, what we're supposed to do is make a bunch of attachments to go onto the Dynapod. And what I'm going to do is make a smoothie making attachment for it, and what I've got to do that is this thing. This is a blender from my local big box store. I'm going to take out the motor, connect it to the Dynapod, stick some bananas, strawberries and milk in there, and see if we can make a smoothie. Anyway, first things first, get this open and take out the motor. Always the same routine with these things, guys. You see a screw? Undo it! It is taken to pieces and you can see what it is. There's the drive there that connects to that bit there, and it's just a straightforward motor on that drive and nothing else. There's a couple of micro switches. There's one there, so when you push in your little thing, it closes it and you can get contact so the motor can spin, and that motor is just free to spin on that drive unit, and it's held together with 3 screws. That's all there is to these things. Okay, so I've removed the motor body from the motor shaft by drifting it out, which basically means you hit it with a hammer while holding it in a vice, and out comes the motor shaft. And the reason I've done that is this is a anti-clockwise, and it fits on that impeller, and I tried a couple of other things and it wouldn't work, so I wanted the motor shaft. So now that can go back on there. Okay, with that back in place, what we do is pop that in there. And all I have to do is attach that spindle to the Dynapod, pedal like mad, and we can get that to turn. Well, when I say me pedal like mad, I know who I think will be pedaling like mad, and then we're in the smoothie business. So clearly, to get this to work, we've got to attach that to that. And you might think we've got a problem, because that goes that way, and that goes that way, and we've got to attach to that. But we live in an awesome world, or at least I think so, but then I'm still impressed by electric light. I had a look at Amazon and found this. It's a drill attachment for tight spaces, and it turns that rotation into that rotation, and I bought this for £10. That's astonishing, isn't it? But clearly, all we have to do is put that on there, pedal, and we have the correct rotation. Okay, I'm loving this because this is ridiculously easy to do. There's the bit that actually turns the blender, and I've sawed off that motor shaft so that it fits in there. Pop that in there, tighten it up. There's the original case that it came in. I've got a little notch just there to take that. That feeds in there. And here is the bottom. I've got a slice out of the bottom so it just slots on the top like that. And there it is, back together. Pop that on. And that doesn't look any different apart from the fact that it's got that sticking out the side. And of course, when I twiddle that, the blades spin. Anyway, let me screw that all back together. That's back together. I put a flexible couple on this shaft. That goes in there. We can put a couple of grub screws in there and we're ready to try and make a smoothie. Okay, so we're going to give it a go making a banana and strawberry smoothie. Now, I don't eat a lot of vegetables or fruit unless it's fried. So, Luke's going to help because Luke's young and fit and I'm old and fat. And he cycles to work every day. So we're going to give it a go making a smoothie and see how it works out. Say a whole banana, 4 straws, mate?
Yeah, whole banana, 4 straws.
Oh, okay, I washed my hands 3 days ago, okay?
Oh, that's fine.
Awesome! And a bunch of milk. I'd put sugar in it, mate, but I know health people don't like sugar in things. And apparently there's loads of natural sugar already in fruit, apparently.
Apparently, yeah.
I don't know, mate, I always add sugar.
More sugar.
I only eat fruit if it comes in tins.
In the syrup.
Oh, preferably, mate, preferably.
I'm actually really looking forward.
Okay, go on then, let's see how we
ready?
do. Yep.
Wow. It's working.
I think that's awesome.
I reckon that is there, I think. I'm all for that.
That is awesome.
That has worked really well.
That is just amazing. Mate, that's like a milkshake.
Oh, wow.
There you go, dude.
Well, thank
Chin,
you. Cheers.
Well, that is awesome. So there you go, guys. Sorry about that. If you own a smoothie making bar, you want to go green, there is a way to do it, a complete DIY. So if you refer to videos 1087,
There it is.
or is it 1097?
We are on 9. Yes.
So it's 1097 and 1099 where we actually built the Dynapod, and then of course obviously this video where we built the smoothie making machine and made a smoothie. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you very much for watching.